Hello, I have the Kalita filters right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open them up and let you see what they look like. There's a bunch of them in here. The ones at the top look smaller than the ones at the bottom, and it's just because they're at the top. But I'll show you that in a second. So I have my opening shears, and I'm just going to go ahead and open this up in a way that I can close it up and keep it sealed to keep the filters fresh. And yes, that is actually a thing to keep your filters fresh. So I'm going to pull out one of these and show you what this looks like. So there's a lot that come in here, and so I'm just going to peel one out. And then right here is I have my Kalita coffee maker. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in so they fit in there quite nicely. Let me pull out so you can see it a little bit better. But that's the Kalita filter. Fits on perfectly on the Kalita cup for making coffee. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.